Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with 251 by riffclown. So this puzzle is indeed number 251. By tradition, riffclown always does the ones that are one after divisible by 50, because riffclown did the very first puzzle. So I did 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Riffclown has done 1, 51, 101. You get the idea. So we are continuing that tradition, and he definitely made this one explicitly for number 251, as you can see. So that's pretty neat. So let's go over the rules. We have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. Additionally, there's quadruples on the grid. I don't remember if I mentioned that this is quadruple theme week, but this is quadruple theme week, so there's going to be quads in the grid. So normally this would be labeled 1, 2, 5, but it doesn't actually matter. 251 is neat. It means the same thing. So the quad is a circle in the center of 4 cells, and the digits in the quad must appear at least once each within the touching cells. So one way to fulfill this would be, if I can type, would be 1, 2, and 5. This could be anything. This could be a 6, could even be a repeated 5 if we want. But the point is we need at least 1, 1, at least 1, 2, and at least 1, 5 in the cells touching the quad. So I can't do this because now there's no 5. All right. Additionally, we have thermometers in the grid. That's these here. Thermometers have a bulb end. That's the circle. And from the bulb end, they strictly increase. So I could do, for example, 2, 4, 5, 6. Ignore this 5 here. This would be one way to fulfill this thermo, assuming it didn't break Sudoku rules. Let's do one that doesn't break Sudoku rules. Let's do 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. That would be one way to do it. And so the point is that this can't even be a 3. It has to be strictly bigger as you move along. Certainly can't be a 2, but it can't even be a 3 because that would not strictly increase as we move along. All right, so those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, how do we want to get started? Well, this thermo here, this bulb can't be 1 or 2, so let's fill what this can be. So the minimum would be is 3, 4, 5. So we could also go 4, 5, 6 if you want. So this is how we would pencil the thermo. So anything we can say about that? Not that I can think of. We need a 1 and a 5 around this quad, and they can't be here. In fact, we need a 1 in the quad, and it can't be in any of these 3. So the 1 goes there, and then this is going to be the 5 because these 2 can't be 5. So that ends up as 6, and then we need a 2 over here for the quad. This can't be a 4 because if this was a 4. We'd end up going 4, 3. This would be all forced 2 and 1, and the 2's conflict. So basically, this is at least 3, is what we could say. But that does mean that this ends up as 6. This is at least 3. So this could be, and oh yeah, and this has to be less than, okay. This is at least 3, which means this is at least 4, and it can't be a 5. So that's a 4. And so now this has to be a 3 because it can't be 2. And then this is 1 or 2. All right. Whatever this 1 or 2 is, it needs to go on this quad, and it ends up here. So these are the same digit. Now, if these are the same digit, where do they go in this box? They go over here. So they have to be a 2, 4, or 5. So they can't actually be 1. So that means these are 2s. We don't need the colors. Cool. That's a neat idea. I know I need a 1 over here somewhere. I'm not sure which one I want it to be in more, the quad or the thermal. These are from 2, 3, 4. The 2 goes here. This is a 3, 4 pair because of this 2, by the way. These are a 1, 5 pair. I don't think we're putting a 5 here. not that early in thermo. So that's the 1. That's the 5. So we're going to need a 1 up here for the quad. That places a 1 in this box. We have these 2 ones looking up. Actually, we could have placed that a while ago. These are from 4, 5, 6, and this can't be 4 or 5 because of these 2. So that's a 6, that's a 5, that's a 4. This is a 2, 3 pair. This is only a 5. That's a 4. That's a 3. What's this pair? This is a 3, 4 pair. So we know the order. So this is 5 or 6. Oops. Could be either. This is 1 and 5. We know the order. No, sorry, not 1 and 5. 1 and 6. We don't know the order. This is also 1 or 6. We don't know which one. Oh, well, this digit's just a 3. What do we need here? We need a 4 and a 6. Okay, we do know the order of that. Very nice. That gives us all of these. And our last digit's a 6. All right. Nice and quick puzzle. Thanks, riffclown. This was had some neat ideas in it. These thermals were quite restricted, especially this one up here. And then the 2, 5, 1s, the way they interacted with our givens here were interesting. Again, teaching us that this whole certain cells see a lot of the quadruple. You got to be careful about how they interact. So cool idea, riffclown. Enjoyed the nice quick. The past few puzzles in this quad week have been quite difficult compared to our standard level, I think. And so it's nice to have a nice breather. So we'll see what the next puzzles bring us, but I quite enjoyed this one. Thank you, riffclown. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.